How to trim and split a video on CapCut. If you are trying to edit a video and you want to trim or split it, it is very easy to do. To do it, first you are going to click on the video itself, so just click on the picture. That is going to bring up this bar down here. On the left, you can then click split. What this is going to do is this is going to split the video into two separate frames. That way you could delete this whole first frame if you wanted to, or you can trim it. So what trimming it is you can see on the side of the video there are these white bars. You are simply going to bring in the white bar. You can see then the seconds of the video are changing. It is trimming it and you are deleting a portion of it. You can do it again by clicking on whatever section of the video you'd like. You can click split. And then to trim it, you would then click on the video half again and bring in the white sidebars. That way it is trimming it for you. And that is how you trim and split a video on CapCut.